Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to put TikTok videos in slow motion. So if you appreciate that, give me a like and also subscribe if you're new and comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever. I really hope this video helps you out. It's a very simple trick that you can do. And the first thing you want to do is go on a video that you like on TikTok, click the arrow right here and click on copy link. You don't want to save anything or any of that. I don't need to fill up your gallery. All you gotta do is go on Google Chrome or Safari, type in capwing.com. You go there, and there all you gotta do is paste the URL here. It will automatically upload, and then you'll be able, when it loads, to make the speed faster or slower. That's half, 2 times slower, and so on. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like if you have questions. I'm there in the comment sections for you. See you in the next video. Bye.